Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone One Smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do reset app preferences in your phone Nothing Phone One. First, go to the settings of your phone here and click on About Phone. Click on System and click on Reset Options and click on Reset App Preferences and click on Reset Apps. Now all preferences for app are reset here. So in this way we can easily do reset for app preferences in your phone Nothing Phone One. Once again I do the settings, go to the settings for phone and click on system and click on reset options and you have to choose reset app preferences and it will ask reset app preferences. This will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restriction for apps, any permission restrictions. You will not lose any app data. Reset app, click on reset apps and yes, it's done. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.